Permasure is a web-based toxicity modelling application for the Chemprotex range of protective suits from Respirex. With a database of 4,000 chemicals, Permasure calculates the safe working time for a given suit based on its temperature. Once you have registered as a user, you can access Permasure by scanning the QR code on the suit packaging, which will pre-configure the app for the suit you are using. Alternatively, you can log in through the web portal. Select the suit that you are using. Each inquiry on Permasure is logged, so once you have accessed the application, you can edit the task or incident name for future reporting. Now set the suit temperature. This is important as permeation rates are significantly affected by temperature. If you are not sure what the temperature of the suit will be, select a value close to body temperature, but in particularly hot countries or working environments you may want to raise this. Next, adjust the time that the suit will be exposed to the chemical. As a default, this is set to 480 minutes. Finally, select the chemical you are working with. Simply start typing the chemical name or CAS number to bring up a matching list of chemicals. Then select the one you are looking for. Once you have selected a chemical, Permasure will display basic toxicity and hazard data. Clicking on the Chemical Properties button, if it is displayed, will take you to the NIOSH website for more detailed chemical information. Clicking Calculate starts the toxicity modeler. This typically takes a few seconds depending on the speed of your internet connection. Once the calculation is complete, if you are safe to work for the exposure time requested, you will see the time with a green background under the time to toxic limit. If you are not safe to work for the requested time, a warning message will be displayed showing the maximum safe working time. A few chemicals are too reactive to calculate safely, and for these a separate warning message is displayed advising that you seek assistance from our technical department. Under the Garment tab, you can change the suit type you have selected from the range of Respirex Chemprotex suits. The Account tab allows you to change your personal information, including the email address you use to log into the system and your password. To register for an account to use Permasure, click the Register tab on the home page and complete the information in the account sign-up form. When you click Register, your request is sent to Respirex and we aim to reply the next working day.